of, can people be born gay? And I think it's a really good question that I would say, yes, people could be born that way. But does that mean that it's right for them? The answer is no, because you could be born with a very, very good skill set of, maybe you have a silver tongue. You were born a liar. Does that mean you're going to nurture that gift and become a liar, or are you going to use that silver tongue to preach and bring people to God? Or you could be born someone who has this great mind for stealing things, seeing the angles and figuring that out. What are you going to do? Are you going to follow that path, or are you going to follow a different path? It's kind of like in the Bible. We have the wide road and the narrow road. And if you're born gay, that's going down the wide road, because it's easy for you to live in nature's inhibitions or temptations or desires. But it's hard for you to say no and follow the narrow path. And does that mean